Alright you guys, so for my dinner tonight, I'll be making a barbecue style burger, and for my burger patty, I'm going to use the Beyond Meat, the Beyond Burger plant-based burger patty, and it's soy-free, gluten-free. And to season my burger tonight, I'll be using some black pepper, garlic powder, garlic salt, smoked paprika, some sea salt, and to top my burger off, I'll be using Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and I'll also mix in this balsamic vinegar from Sprouts as well as this liquid smoke to give it that barbecue flavor. And I'm gonna have a side of kettle cooked olive oil potato chips, and I really like this Boulder Canyon brand. They are vegan and gluten-free. And I also wanted to show you guys how you can tell if your bread, if your buns, or if your hot dog buns are vegan. You can just look at what it contains, and normally it'll say contain wheat or soy. Sometimes it will say eggs. Make sure you guys pick up the one that just says wheat and soy, because that does not contain any dairy, and that's what you want, especially if you're vegan. So yeah, this is what I'll be cooking up for dinner tonight. And the produce tonight I'll be using, I went ahead and cut up a few slices of a nice white onion, a few slices of some jalapeno peppers, organic. All of my veggies are organic. And then I also have some baby portobello mushrooms. I went ahead and chopped those up because I will be putting these three on top of my burger. And then I went ahead and cut up some garlic as well as some more jalapeno peppers, because I am going to go ahead and add that into my burger patty with the seasonings as well as the balsamic vinegar and the liquid smoke, so I can go ahead and patty it up and get this burger cooking. Alright, so this is what the burger mixture looks like after I've added the balsamic vinegar as well as the liquid smoke, the garlic salt, the garlic powder, a little bit of sea salt, as well as some black pepper. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add the diced garlic as well as the diced jalapeno into this burger patty, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix it all up and patty it back up and go ahead and throw this on the stove. Before I go ahead and patty up my burger, I like to go ahead and turn my skillet on, and I like to cook my Beyond Burger in this non-stick skillet. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour in a little organic extra virgin olive oil to go ahead and get this bad baby warmed up so our burger can cook. And I just turned this eye on low, so this way it'll give me a few minutes to go ahead and patty the burger up. This way, by the time I'm done with that, I can just go ahead and drop it right on the skillet. This is what the Beyond Burger looks like now that I've mixed in the garlic as well as the jalapeno. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and patty it up to my best ability and go ahead and drop it on the stove. Alright, so this is what the burger looks like. I literally just put this patty in the skillet and I flipped it over because it's falling apart a little bit. I think I might have added too much liquid ingredients like the liquid smoke and the balsamic vinegar, but I'm telling you guys, it just adds that flavor to this burger. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw in my onions and mushrooms so they can go ahead and caramelize, because this burger does not take long to cook, honey, and I am ready. If you guys could smell what I'm smelling, you would be ready to eat too. I'm trying to keep the veggies away from the burger as best as possible because I know I will have to flip it here pretty soon, but I do want these veggies to go ahead and start cooking. Alright, so as you guys see, I've been able to flip my burger over a few times, and I'm just trying to get these onions and mushrooms caramelized before I go ahead and take this burger off, because it does not take long for it to cook. And I absolutely love this burger. It is so freaking good. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and get my bun and my barbecue sauce ready because your girl's ready to eat. Alright, so from experience, this is how dark the burger gets. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the burger as well as the mushrooms and the onions off of the skillet, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on my burger bun and eat, honey, because your girl is hungry to say the least. I mean, look at this, you guys. It is so tasty. I cannot wait to eat it. So yeah, this is how dark the burger patties get. And yeah, don't think that you're undercooking the burger if yours looks a little red, because when I first started to eat these burgers, I thought the same thing. But when I bit into it, it was oh so delicious. The best burger I have ever had in my life. And I thought Five Guys burgers were good, but I definitely would have to disagree, and I would argue with anyone who says otherwise. Alright, so this is what the burger looks like after the caramelized onions and mushrooms have been applied. Now it's time for the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce and the jalapeno peppers, and then I'll be ready to eat. I'm so hungry. Alright, you guys, so this is what my dinner consists of. A vegan barbecue burger with caramelized onions and mushrooms topped with some jalapeno peppers. You can't miss out on that natural spice. And some nice kettle cooked potato chips. Yum, yum, yum.